Hello students, today we will learn how we can solve pair of linear equations algebraically. Student, you have learned how to find the solutions of a pair of linear equations graphically. And we get three possible conditions. First condition, when line intersect each other, in that case a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, and we will get exactly one solution because there is only one common point for both the lines. And in second condition, both the lines coincide each other. It means one line over the another. In that case, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. And we get infinite many solution because each and every point is common for both the equations. And in third condition, both the lines are parallel to each other. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. It means the pair of linear equation has no solution because there is no common point for both the equation. Student, graphical method may not always give the most accurate solution, especially when the points representing solutions has non-integral coordinates like root 2 comma root 3 or 1 by 3 comma minus 5 by 4. There is every possibility of making mistakes while reading such coordinates. Identifying such a coordinate can be quite a challenge. So how do we solve such equations? Yes, algebraically. These are the algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. First method is substitution method, second method is elimination method, and third method is cross multiplication method. Let's begin with substitution method. And these are the steps of this method. Obtain the two equations. Let the equation be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Consider the pair of linear equation x minus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus 3y equal 15. First step, choose either of the two equations, say first, and find the value of one variable, say x, in terms of y. To keep it simple student, choose the equation and variable that can be solved quickly and without complication. You can easily see here student, from both the equation, first equation is very simple, x minus 3y equals 7, and we can easily find the value of x from this equation. The value of x will be 7 plus 3y. Second step of this method, substitute the values of x obtained in the previous step in equation 2 to get an equation. Now we will substitute the value of this x in second equation. 3 within bracket 7 plus 3y minus 3y equal 15. Step number 3, solve the equation obtained in the previous step to get the value of y. So we will solve. 3 multiplied by 7, 21 plus 9y minus 3y equal 15, 6y equal 15 minus 21, 6y equal minus 6, and you will get y equal minus 1. Next step, substitute the value of y and get the value of x. Now we will substitute this value in third equation. X equal 7 plus 3y. When you substitute the value of y, you will get x equal 4. Hence, the solution of the equation is 4 comma minus 1. Solution can be verified by substituting the value of x and y in both the equation. Let's check this out. First equation was x minus 3y equals 7. Now we will substitute x equal 4 and y equal minus 1. 4 plus 3 we will get 7. It means 7 equal 7. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Second equation was 3x minus 3y equal 15. When we substitute the values x and y, we will get 15 equal 15. In this also, left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means our solution is correct. Let us revise all the steps for another pair of equation. First step, express one of the variable in terms of the other. Here we can easily find the value of x. X will equal 14 minus y. In second step, we will substitute the value of x in second equation. X 14 minus y equal 4. Then we will simplify this and we will get the value of y. In next step, we will substitute the value of y in third equation, that is 14 minus 5, we will get 9. So for this pair of equation, the value of x is 9 and the value of y is 5. Again, you can verify, check your answer by substituting the values of x and y. Another method is elimination method. As the name suggests, we eliminate one of the variable by using the following steps. Let us consider the same pair of linear equation, x minus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus 3y equal 15. Step number 1. First, multiply both the equation by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficients of one variable, either x or y, numerically equal. You can easily see here, student, in first equation the coefficient of x is 1 and in second equation the coefficient of x is 3. So, in first equation we will multiply by 3 and in second equation we will multiply by 1 for numerically equally making the coefficient. We will get 3x, 3 3s are 9y, 7 3s are 21, and second step we will get as it is because we are multiplying here by 1, we will get 3x minus 3y equal 15. Second step, then add or subtract one equation from the other so that one variable gets eliminated. You can see here, student, here 3x is now equal to 3x and both terms are positive. So for eliminating x, we have to subtract this equation. When you subtract this equation, sign will change, plus will convert with minus sign will convert into plus, and again plus will convert into minus. And this 3x will cancel with this 3x and you will get. Next step, solve the equation in one variable so obtain to get its values. So let's solve this. This minus 9y plus 3y you will get minus 6 and 21 minus 15 you will get 6. Y equals 6 upon minus 6. The value of y is minus 1. And the third step of this method is substitute this value of x in either of the original equation to get the value of the other variable. So the first equation was x minus 3y equals 7. When you substitute in place of y minus 1, you will get x equal 4. Hence the solution of the equation is 4 comma minus 1. Again, how you can check your answer is correct or not? By verification. First equation was x minus 3y equals 7. Substitute the value of x, 4. Value of y minus 1. Again we are getting here LHS equal RHS. Second equation was 3x minus 3y equal 15. Again we will substitute the values. Again we are left hand side equals to right hand side. Let's revise all the steps for this pair of linear equation. Here you can easily see the coefficient of x is 3 and in second equation the coefficient of x is 2. So we will multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. And then we will get 6x plus 8y equal 20, 6x minus 6y equal 6. Again here both the terms are positive, so we will subtract this equation. Again this 6x will cancel with this minus 6x. And when we will simplify, we will get y equal 1. Now we will substitute the value of y in first equation. 3x plus 4 into 1 equal 10. When you simplify this, you will get x equal 2. Third method is cross multiplication method. In this method, we will use the following steps. First step, write the given equations in standard form. And standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Let us consider the same pair of linear equations. X minus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus 3y equal 15. First we will convert it into standard form. X minus 3y minus 7 equals 0, 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal 0. In second step, arrange the coefficient as the diagram given below. Look at this diagram, student. Below x we will write coefficient of y and constant term. Below y we will write constant term and coefficient of x, and below 1 we will write coefficient of x and y. Same process we will apply for this example also. Student, in this method, numbers with downward arrows are multiplied first, then the product of numbers with upward arrows are subtracted from the above products. It means first this B1 will multiply with this C2, then B2 will multiply with this C1, and so on. Similarly, for this example also, this minus 3 will multiply with this minus 15, and this minus 3 will multiply with this minus 7, and so on. Then we will get x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And in this example, we will get x upon minus 3 into minus 15 minus minus 3 into minus 7 equals to y upon minus 7 into 3 minus minus 15 into 1 equals to 1 upon 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. And after multiplication, we will get x upon 45 minus 21 equals to y upon minus 21 plus 15 equals to 1 upon minus 3 plus 9. And after subtraction, we will get x upon 24 equals to y upon minus 6 equals to 1 upon 6. Now we have to find here the value of x. For that, we will compare this x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 with this 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And we will get x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And after cross multiplication, we will get x equal b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, we can find the value of y also. Y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 will equal 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And after cross multiplication, we will get y equal c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Let us solve this steps also. This x upon 24 equal 1 upon 6. When we cross multiply this, we will get x equal 24 upon 6. And this y upon minus 6 equal 1 upon 6. After cross multiplication, we will get y equal minus 6 upon 6. And we will get x equal 4 and y equal 1. So, these are the solution of this equation. 4 comma minus 1. Let us revise all the steps of this method for this another pair of linear equation. 2x plus y equal 5, 3x plus 2y equal 8. First we will convert these equations into standard form. 2x plus y minus 5 equals 0, 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0. Then we will compare and find the values of a1 as 2, a2 as 3, b1 is 1, b2 is 2, c1 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 8. You can check student here, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. It means we will get unique solution. After that, we will arrange this coefficient and constant term in this manner. Then we will multiply this 1 by this minus 8 and then 2 multiply this minus 5 and so on. And we will get x upon minus 8 minus within bracket minus 10 equals to y upon minus 15 minus within bracket minus 16 equal 1 upon 4 minus 3. And x upon minus 8 plus 10 equal y upon minus 15 plus 16 equal 1 upon 1. After subtraction, we will get x upon 2 equal y upon 1 equal 1 upon 1. And when you compare this x upon 2 with this 1 upon 1, you will get x equal 2. And when we will compare this y upon 1 with this 1 upon 1, we will get y equal 1. So student, Hope now you can solve pair of linear equations by using any of the method. Thank you.